Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video we are going to download VS Code for Windows. So VS Code is a really popular editor by Microsoft which is used to write code in different languages, which include C, C++, Java, Python, and we can also build huge projects with technologies like Node.js and Django. So let's start with the installation for a Windows system. Watch this video till the end, and if this video will helpful for you, then share it with your friends. In Windows system, we are going to open our browser, which is Chrome. And inside Chrome, we are going to search Visual Studio Code. So now we have to go to this first link that appears in our browser, which does not have any add tag to it. So if there is any add tag, we have to skip that link. Let's directly click on code.visualstudio.com. And here we can see a huge download button which is used to download Visual Studio Code. So now we have all of the options for different machine: Windows, Linux and Mac. So since we are working on the Windows machine, we are going to download VS Code for Windows machine, and we click on the download button and the download start automatically. You can see it will take about 2 minutes. So now once VS Code is completely downloaded, let's open it. So this window appears to us, which is to set up Visual Studio Code, and we are going to accept the agreement that Microsoft has for us. We are going to accept the agreement and then we are click on the next. We will keep the settings to default and click on the next button again. So now click next again. If we want to access Visual Studio Code from our desktop from next time, then we can tick on this checkbox. And then we have to go to the next and finally install. So right now Visual Studio Code is getting installed in our machine after downloading, and once all of the files are extracted, we can finish the process. And this VS Code window appears for us. This here appears because we have finally downloaded VS Code. So we are going to do launch Visual Studio Code. Then click on finish. So this is the interface of Visual Studio Code. And we can open a new file and we can start writing our code. So this was the short tutorial on how you are going to download VS Code for Windows. If this video is helpful for you, then share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.